Ngicela isihlobo esihle.
Umthomeni.
Uthando Nesithembu Makhwela Silobola Negotiations.
Baba sithunyiwe la umthombeni. Uthi asengumcelela isihlobo esihle. Uthi asikhuleke ngesithole esimhlophe. Ijongo silimnyama. Nesithole esibomvu. Nejongo selimpemvu. Nenhlala phakethenike. Eyinkomo embili.
My jaw literally dropped at the 16K uvulamlomo. Like what?
Uze siqhubeke nje ivulamlomo iyona ujuqu efayiqalwe ngayo. Sithe masivumelana sathi 16,000. Ningakakhulumi ngayo. Le ivulamlomo thina ke le ekhaya uthi uyikhokha sibala kabili.
At this point, I was just like, these people really trusted this negotiator because this man is not playing.
Kuba ivulomlomo besiyongena esilobolweni. Okusho nje ubenimemeza ukuthi na 6 siyongena futhi kwenkomkana babane 7.
Sneh had to say her piece at this moment and she wasn't pleased at all.
Bazofuna imali enkulu ukuthi hayi babize lozo imali abayibiza ngoba kumseleko.
And then when the Mselekos were at least trying to have one cow valued at 10K,
Besicela nje mhlawumbe uthi ukwehlisa noma isitilo esodwa.
the Khwelas were just like, oh no, there's no such, we don't play like that.
Hayi ake sithi 15 Mthombe.
Once.
And I must say the explanation for why they had to start the cow's value at 15K confused me even more.
Kungako utholakala ukuthi funa uthi nje 15 phezulu mekhala uthi 14. Zonke ke sezisuka lapho ziyogcina 10 ngoba ngale ka10 ayikho inkomo.
It was at this point when the Mselekos gave in to the Khwelas' demands.
Hayi. Baba siyezwa.
Sizoyishaya le ekhona. Engekho sophinde siyilandelise.
And Mkhulu there by the chief negotiator's side saying, Hallelujah, literally took me out. Don't ask me why.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Khona umfana sangilandela into enizobeka kuyona.
Okay.
Lobola is really a game of money, hey? And an expensive one at that. Even Sneh had this to say.
Ukulobola madoda kuyinkinga khishwa imali enkulu kabi so zinkulu nje le mali ekhishwa la.
Otherwise, everything went well. Simtolile, Umakoti, you know, they went back home, of course, to give Babakhe feedback.
Sibe sesikhokha ke lapha imvulamlomo.
Okay.
Imvulamlomo njengoba sikhokhile bathe lapha kakhwela izongena lapha kulezi nkomo ezu6.
And you can just see by the way his face lit up that he was indeed happy.
Ngisho angathi umkhonyane asiyozibheka kusasa. Bangamele babe. Bamshadise umkhonyane.
Unamandlana imbijana nje.
And during his diary, Babakhe emphasized his joy.
Ekhweni lami bengicabanga ukuthi bazosilimaza kakhulu but engikuzwayo manje ugwinyisa amathe kuyajabulisa.
Otherwise, do share your thoughts in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.